I have here in front of me a Coop Home Goods Original Adjustable Pillow. This is queen size, and when you touch these, you know you're going to like it. I mean, seriously, this is just feels so good, and it doesn't feel like artificial or noisy. It's just soft. It crunches up and it kind of holds its shape. It's got memory foam. It's medium firm. You can use it on your stomach if you're or a side sleeper. And what they say, this is an original adjustable, okay? So that means you get this extra bag of what they call oomph. And they're just the cutest little, oh, they're so soft. Yeah, I mean, this stuff is nice. It really is. This is the oomph. And it's fiber and cubes of memory foam. I mean, it is so soft. It's like you use triple conditioner in your hair. And you get that, and then you have here just your zipper compartment right there. And then you can get into this. Even that's nice. That's like a silky type material. And then you can just kind of add in more oomph. It's really simple. They're really nice. And I think they're worth the money. Yeah, I really do. I've had other memory foams, and they're not like this. Coop's Home Good Original Adjustable Pillow. Check them out.